Okay, here we are again. Oh, everybody's coming. What are you doing, Chubbs? Hello? He had to stop to sniff around again. I don't know why. Anyway, this is, what's this? Part 34 of this, working on this U.S. Army Dodge 1952 3/4 ton 4x4 cargo carrier, or sometimes it's called a weapons carrier. Well, he's just going to sniff around, I think. I don't think he's going to do much anything else. Besides knock my camera over. Chubby, where you going? Come back here. Come here. Come here, dummy. Anyway, yeah, Chubby's still here. I gotta go send him to the vet for a. I'm gonna take him to the vet for another blood test. He has something in his liver. Something is wrong with his liver. I've been giving pills for it, and so they got to retest him and see what he's doing. I have no idea what the deal is, what the thing with the liver is, but you'd never know there was anything wrong with him. I mean, he does everything he's supposed to do. Besides, gets fat because he keeps stealing the cat's food. But anyway, after bleeding those brakes, I finally got brakes, but that's what got cleaned out of the lines. Yeah, remember, brake fluid is clear. It's normally like water. You can see through it. Well, it ain't like water. And that's why it took a while. I had a lot of air in the lines, probably because there'd been no brake fluid in them for a long time. And so finally pushing all of it out of there. This is only some of it. I mean, there's actually another whole bottle full. I went through like, geez, a quart bottle and 1 pint on top of that, I think. So just going through this thing, and finally got the things to work. But the next fun project, I watched Chubby run away. Okay, this is the heavy one. Oh, there it is. It's going to be the a drive axle, because, like I said, this thing here was used as a parts vehicle for the Army, and they took all the drive shafts out of it. Now this one I bought from a guy in Georgia, and it came out of another M37, but it's actually, it was all rusted up pretty much. But check, the yoke moves in and out, everything else the way it's supposed to. And it's supposed to be about 38 inches to go from the front, because I have the rear drive is coming through, but the front one, there was never a drive axle there. Plus, on top of that, you got to figure I have a PTO, power takeoff, but on that one, part of the linkage is gone on that one too. So I have a lever for the PTO, but yeah, so I got a lot of things I got to do. Besides which, I think I get some longer bolts. These bolts I have in here, I was just testing out. And you got to figure there's going to be at least 8 bolts I'm going to need to connect this drive shaft up. Yeah, and that's going to be another fun under the truck project. So, and hopefully I can video some of that when I'm doing it. We'll see. Okay, Chubbs? Is that it? Okay. All right. Probably next thing you'll see is me under the truck. There you go. Good boy. Don't chase your tail now. Okay, that's the front where it's got to go. And of course it's a heavy end, and it's also very heavy. And the weird thing is, I'm going to have to use some shorter bolts up there than the back end. I got plenty of room on the back side, but of course I need the narrower side of the axle to go back there. And that is correct, because I have a smaller plate back here and a bigger one up there in front, so that's the right direction. So anyway, the problem I'm having right now is trying to pick this thing up and then trying to get the bolts in. So I don't know, this is probably going to be a two-man job. I don't see how I can do it all by myself unless I figure out some way of putting it on Chubby. Right, Chubbs? Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to see if I can get this thing up there. I don't know. We're going to find out. But yeah, I'm not going to kill myself doing it though. Okay, bye. Well, that's about as far as this old man's going to go today. I got the bolts in. I had a couple bolts down I had because these things really have to be short because they'll run against the housing if I don't. So I got that, and I've got to go ahead and extend the shaft out farther so it touches the other end, which is up there. I'm not shooting with shadows. Okay, there we go. It goes over this side. At least this side, it spins free. The other one's kind of really stuck in the front end there. So, but anyway, that's what I've been doing on there today. All kinds of fun. Bye for now. Well, I decided not to quit and kept going on. And I finally finished this drive shaft. It's finally in. It'll move. So, anyway, that was a rough one. Now I get to get out of this, underneath this truck, finally for once today. Been under it for a while. So, anyhow, that's it for me for right now, until I go for the next adventure here under this truck. And that's it for me in the M57 or M37. Why I said 57, I have no idea. And that'll finally be it for now. And Ron was at a ham fest in Loomis today, so I had to do it all myself today. Had no help. That's it for now. Bye.